Who's around?
Hello, teacher.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So, in part one, we are finding some differences. This picture on the computer will be yours, and this one on the paper will be mine. The pictures are very similar, but some things are a little bit different. I'm going to say something about my picture. You need to say how your picture is different. Do you understand?
Yes.
Sure. In my picture, the clock on the wall is square.
In my picture, the clock on the wall is circle.
Okay. And near to that clock on the wall, there is a woman working. She's wearing a blue shirt. In my picture, she's talking on the phone.
In my picture, she's working.
Sure. Across from the woman in the blue shirt, there is a cameraman. In my picture, he's got blonde hair.
In my picture, he has brown hair.
Okay. And in front of that cameraman, there is a weatherman. In my picture, he's wearing a red striped shirt.
In my picture, he's wearing a blue striped shirt.
And still with the weatherman, in my picture, he is pointing to sunny weather.
In my picture, he is pointing a cloudy weather.
Right. On the left side of the picture, there are two people sitting on a brown sofa. In my picture, the boy is shorter than the girl.
In my picture, the girl is shorter than the boy.
In front of the boy and the girl on the sofa, there is a table. In my picture, there is a cake on the table.
In my picture, there was a magazine in the table.
In the middle of the picture, there is a man wearing a green jacket. In my picture, he's carrying a big bowl of fruit.
In my picture, he carrying some juice.
Down here is asking and answering questions. In part one, I'm going to ask you questions about Robert's favorite restaurant, and you just need to answer the questions. Are you ready?
Yes,
What is the name of Robert's favorite restaurant?
it's the black cat.
And what does he like eating?
He likes eating pasta.
Where is it?
It's on the North Street.
What time does it open?
It's open in 12 o'clock.
And is it cheap or expensive to eat there?
It's expensive.
And then for part two, you don't know the information about Sarah's favorite restaurant, so you need to ask me the questions. Ready?
Yes.
Off you go.
What is the Sarah favorite restaurant?
Sarah's favorite restaurant is called Rainbows.
What is Sarah like eating?
She likes eating pizza there.
Where is Sarah's favorite restaurant?
It's on Hill Street.
What time is open?
It opens at about 12:30.
It is cheap or expensive?
It's very cheap. Cool. Part three here is to tell a story. Here there are 5 pictures, and the 5 pictures tell a story. The name of the story is The Brave Teacher. I will begin telling the story in picture number 1. You need to finish telling the story in pictures 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
You understand? So you can look now at the pictures for as long as you want, and when you're ready to start, just say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Cool. The Brave Teacher. It's Monday morning. Nick and Anna are in their English class when suddenly they see something happening outside of the window.
The teacher said they see a small cat on the tree. The teacher goes out and she climbed the tree to rescue the cat. Then she choose a card, the students are very happy.
There you are. The last thing is to just answer some questions. First question is about animal groups. Can you remember any animal groups?
Yes, it's a cat.
So a cat is an animal, but we need animal groups. For example, a cat is a mammal. Mammal is an animal group. Do you know any other animal groups?
Amphibian,
Amphibian,
fish,
fish,
and bird.
bird, sure. We'll go back to this one here, fish. What do you know about the fish group?
It's the animal live in the water.
Definitely, yeah.
They
So what about their body parts? What body parts do they have, and what do they do with them?
they have tails,
Scales, yes.
tail,
Tails. Tails and fins. And what do they use their tail and fin for? To
swim.
swim. How do they breathe?
They breathe.
Do they breathe with lungs and a mouth like mammals do?
No,
They breathe with gills.
gills.
And do they give birth to babies or do they lay eggs?
And let
They lay eggs. Do you think they lay soft eggs or hard eggs?
have
Soft eggs or hard eggs? Fish.
shower.
Soft eggs is correct. Next one is to talk about the past. Can you tell me 3 things you did last Sunday?
I ate breakfast, read a comic book, and went to swimming pool.
Okay. Next one is about different types of art. What different types of art do you know?
I know painting,
Painting, sure.
collage,
Collage.
mobile,
Alright.
mosaic, and drawing.
Drawing, sure. So if you wanted to make an oil painting, what tools do you need to make it?
I need a canvas,
Canvas.
oil color,
Oil paint, sure, yeah. And one more thing.
and a brush.
Sure. If you just had a piece of paper and a pencil, what kind of art could you make? Just one piece of paper and a pencil.
I make a drawing.
Make a drawing. And if you just had one square piece of paper, what kind of art could you make?
I make origami.
That's correct. You are finished with that. High five. That's good. Take it over your head.